Good morning, friends. How are you guys doing? You guys did such a great job last week with the Week of the Young Child. I was so happy to hear your music and see your artwork, see the things that you cooked and built together, and to see your family portraits. You guys all did a fantastic job. Kiss your brains. I'm so proud of you. So today, we're going to do something different. We're starting a new theme. Before we were learning about living things. We learned about life cycles of butterflies and frogs and people and plants, and you guys learned so much. You guys, I'm so proud of you. And now we're going to learn about a new theme. Our new theme is called Science is Everywhere. So what is science? What do you think science is? So what we're going to do is we're going to read this book called What is Science to give you an idea of what science is and what we're going to be learning in the next couple weeks. So are you ready? Let's take a look. This is the book we're going to read. These big words here, that is the title. That's the name of the book. Here is the front cover and here is the back cover. Look, there's a girl looking through a telescope. Do you think scientists do that? I think so. Let's see. And on the front cover, we see a magnifying glass. We see someone observing a starfish. Someone studying a snail shell. Those are some of the things we do in science. We investigate. We study, like our wow word study. We observe, we explore. So let's read this book called What is Science so that we can learn more about science. This book is written by Rebecca Kai Dotlich. She is the author. She wrote the story. This book is illustrated by Sachiko Yoshikama. She drew the pictures, the illustrations. So let's take a look inside the book. What is science? What is science? So many things. The study of stars and Saturn's rings. The study of rocks, geodes, and stones, dinosaur fossils, and old chipped bones. Is that something you like to study? Do you guys ever study rocks and soil and maybe sticks that you find outside? Or even leaves when they change color? That's something we can study in science. Look here, they're looking at a map. They have journals to document, to write down what they discover. Science is also the study of soil, of oil, and gas. So there are so many things we study in science. Science is the study of sea and sky, of seed and grass. Seed and grass, we were studying that when we talked about living things. So that was science too. Look, she's got a magnifying glass. She's studying the grass. And she's writing down what she learns. And look, this person here has a telescope and is studying the sky and the clouds. This person looks very happy. Science is also the study of wind and hurricanes that blow. We can learn so much about the weather through science. Science is the study of volcanoes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and snow. What is science? the study of trees. Are there any trees near your home that you can study? You can maybe even study them from your window so you don't have to go outside. Look, they're studying the tree. They're reading about trees. They're discovering, they're looking at the leaves. Science is the study of butterflies and honeybees. We studied butterflies. We used science when we learned about living things. They're wearing all of this protective gear to study the bees. Glaciers, geysers, clay and sand. Those are all things we study in science. We study the mighty mountains and rolling land. So many things to study and learn about. The power of trains, of planes that soar. Did you know you need science to make trains work? Science is this and so much more. So into the earth and into the sky, we question the how, the where, the when, and the why. We question, we wonder, we hunt and explore the secrets of caves, the dark ocean floor. That sounds very exciting. The oldest of rivers, the tombs of kings. They're flying too. We need science to make planes work. What is science? So many things. The end. So science is the study of all of the things around us. We study how they work. We study how to make new things. We study so much in science, and we can learn so much. When we study science, we ask questions. We ask questions like, how can I get from New York to Boston really quickly? And then scientists thought of cars, and they thought of planes and trains and buses and different ways to solve the problem of how to get from New York to Boston really quickly. So when you have a question about what you can do to make the world better, or what or how things work, or why do we have hurricanes? Why do we have rain? We use science to ask questions and find out, and we work together to answer those questions. Because when we answer those questions and when we ask questions, we make the world a better place. We learn so much, and we help so many people when we use science. So I want to know what questions you have. What questions do you have about the world? What are you curious about? What do you want to learn? What do you want to do? And how can we get science to help us with that? So please answer and tell me what you want to learn about. And then we can talk about how we can learn that. All right, I can't wait to hear what questions you have. And we'll talk very soon. Bye.